The latest one now is that FG bans IPOB members from attending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court trial. The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, has banned the members of the IPOB, People of Biafra, from attending the next trial of his detained leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Journalist reports gathers that members of IPOB have started making their ways to Abuja on Wednesday in order to attend the sitting. Yes, Kanu was recently adopted from Kenya, kidnapped from Kenya to Nigeria. He is going to appear on 26th July 2021. All right, my wonderful family, that is a very good development, and as you can see, Abuja is already marked up. People are already gathered there waiting for 26 to happen. These are the type of news that we want to hear. If you see Abuja right now, it's piled up with a lot of people. Abuja airport has been like crowded since last week Wednesday. It has been happening in Abuja. IPOB, they are not joking. They are there to witness the trial. Imagine Malami saying that they don't want any IPOB member to be there. For what? Why won't they be there? If anybody have a court sitting in Nigeria, the family normally goes to that place. Then why is it that the leader of Biafra's own is different? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's own is not going to be different. They are going to be there live to shake Abuja. As I'm talking to you now, Abuja is shaking. In fact, this is the way it should be. Men are already on ground in Abuja to witness the court trial of the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, when IPOB, they are doing good, we as well, we also promote the good they are doing. So wherever you are, don't feel tension. Just relax and remember what the lawyer said. That was on Friday. He said, remember Kanu in prayer. IPOB lawyer urged Nigerians ahead of a Monday trial. Believe me, on Monday is going to be tough. On Monday is going to be something that we all will be ready to face. This is not only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trying to face this trial right now, but we all are also going to face the same trial that the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is going to face. If you are a freedom fighter, just know that you are about to face a trial on 26th of July. That is on Monday. It's not far from today. 2 days from now, you are going to face the trial. Whatever you are doing on 26th, that is on Monday, 2 days from now, just remember that you are about to face trial on Monday. So wherever you are, whatever you are doing in your working place, just remember this, that on 26th, the hero is going to appear in court. A lot of people have been carrying a circulation that the court date has been postponed. No, the lawyer has clarified it that he has received a call and the court is going to hold. And he moved further to say that, remember Kanu in prayer. IPOB lawyer urged Nigerians ahead of Monday trial. The lawyer noticed that nothing would change the day of trial as early scheduled. The lawyer has already noted that nothing is going to change. It remains on 26 because a lot of people have been saying that the date is postponed. No, the lawyer has clarified that it's not postponed. It still remains 26. So now you've known the date. Whatever you have to do now, personally, you can also do it. Ifeanyi Ojefor, the lawyer to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has urged Nigeria to remember him, Kanu, in prayer, as the IPOB leader will be appearing in court on Monday, the 26th of July 2021. The lawyer noted that nothing has changed the day of trial as early scheduled. There has been speculation that Kanu's case might not come up on the said dates, contrary to the annual vacation for Nigeria judges. The judges' vacation is expected to start on July 26 and would end on September 17, 2021. However, in a statement on Friday, Kanu's lawyer, Barrister Ojefor, revealed that the case would be called up for hearing as scheduled. He wrote, we have just received a confirmation from Federal High Court Abuja that the hearing of our client's case above referred will still go on as earlier scheduled on Monday next week, being the 26th day of July 2021. The lawyer also urged Kanu supporters to offer prayer to God for him and for the legal team. Remember Nnamdi Kanu and the entire legal team in your prayers. Thank you all and remain blessed. This is what the lawyer wrote, and this is what he tweets, that we should remember Nnamdi Kanu in prayer. You don't need anybody to tell you this. Yes, you don't need anybody to tell you this, and you don't need any prophet to tell you that. You got to go into prayer on 26th. Do whatever you can. Not only just coming to brab here, brab there, and we are going to give you the updates live. So therefore, you have to do what you can do on that very day to make sure you play your role. Now, this is a kind of personal game. This is something that is personal. It's a man to give it to everybody. You are going to do your part and we are going to do our part, and I will be doing my part as well. So we urge everybody, whatever name you call, whatever God you call, whether you are a Muslim, you are a Christian, on 26th is your day. Yes, it's your day you are going into trial. As far as you are a freedom fighter, as far as you have the heart of the people at heart, as far as you need change in the country called Nigeria, you have to do what you got to do on 26th of July 2021. So they are calling on every meaningful Nigerian. You can see the trick now they are trying to use, trying to stop the IPOB member from going to court, but it's not going to work. Yes, it's not going to work because they are already on ground. It's not going to work. It's not done anywhere and it's unacceptable. And if you are living close to Abuja, if you are in Nigeria, you just have to do the needful. Be there and show your support. There are so many ways you can show your support. Not every time we are talking or we are arguing. This is the time for you. This is the time for me. This is the time for everybody. Whatever you know that you can do right now to support, you got to do it. The name you are calling it, that you are a Christian, you are a Muslim, now is your time. The people, they have done their parts. So now they urge you and they want you to also do your part. Be part of this great movement. Be part of the achiever. Be part of those that will say on 26th of July, this is what I do. You have to be bold and to be proud of yourself. So on 26th, everything that they have been doing is going to come to light. On 26th, all the action being taken, private and public, is going to nurture on 26th of July. There is an article that said IPOB don't discuss everything they are doing online. Everything you are seeing, you are going to get the feedback on 26th of July. But mind you, hey, be among those people that play their role. Yes, everybody needs to play their role. Every hand on deck. Binding IPOB not to go into the courtroom or coming around, Nigeria government should not even try it, because on 26th, it's not going to be that easy. Men are coming there in a different mode. Men are coming there from different tribes, from different culture. How many people can you hold not to enter that place? That is what I am telling the Nigerian government. They just have to do the needful and pipe low. We need not to be afraid, because victory must surely emerge. All right, my wonderful family, this brings us to the end of today's update. As you can see, you know the way we normally do it. Do well to share this video with your friends and family so that they know the latest happening all over the globe. Before I go, remember 26th of July 2021. I still remember Agatha Progress here on YouTube. See you when I see you. Bye.